Today we're featuring a 2016 Honda Pilot Touring. It's a certified Honda. Alright, it's got 36,000 miles on it. It's got a clean Carfax, one owner. It's a local trade. Just really nice silver metallic color. I'll go ahead and give you the walk around. Go ahead and make our way down the driver's side of the vehicle. Everything is in great shape. Everything looks good. Alright, it is equipped with a backup camera. Alright, rear park assist. It is a touring and it is all-wheel drive. Alright, everything along the rear of the vehicle there is in good shape. So we've got one small little scratch there. Very minor. Almost walk right by it without seeing it. Alright, everything's in great shape. Let me go ahead and back up here. This is your blind spot monitoring camera. Alright, and we'll show you that in a second when we get on the inside. But everything's in good shape. It is a touring, so it's going to have all the bells and whistles you need. Alright, 36,000 miles on it. Certified unit. Let's go ahead and check out the inside. Door panel looks good. It's got the two-tone black and gray. Alright, memory seats. Alright, collision alert, lane mitigation alert. It's got your blind spot monitoring button right there. Gray leather, power driver's seat. Alright, leather's good. Alright, it does have a sunroof and DVD player. Take a look at the passenger seat. It's in great shape as well. It does come with the key fob. Go ahead and give you a shot of that with remote start. Alright, it's got the push button transmission. Really cool feature there. Heated seats, dual climate controls, push button start. Alright, there's going to be a backup camera, navigation, all that, and we'll turn that on in a second for you. It does have the leather wrapped steering wheel. Alright, steering wheel audio controls and Bluetooth. Let me go ahead and give you a shot of the mileage. It's got 36,884 miles on it. Got everything fired up over here. Going to let you check this out. The heated seats, the dual climate controls. Alright, we got the navigation up. Let me shut the sunroof so get that glare off of there. There we go. Alright, big touch screen. Get you back to the home menu. Alright, navigation, phone, information, audio, settings, rear audio. Alright, everything you need. I'll go ahead and engage backup camera. Alright. And I will also engage the blind spot monitoring. Really cool feature. Alright, what it does is it brings up your blind side here on the screen. So this is actually the right side of your car. Alright. And this is all the blind spot. So when you're making a lane change, you know, anything like that, you can always see your blind spot on the highway. Really, really good feature, good safety feature that Honda does. Alright, let's go ahead and check out the back seat. Alright, the leather back here is in good shape. It is a third row Pilot, so I'll go ahead and access that third row for you. Alright, another cool feature, this button down here, just a one touch. Alright, seat will fold down and slide up on its own. Third row's in great shape. Everything looking good there. And to get it back, you just simply pull the seat back. Alright. Go ahead and give you a shot of the DVD player here. Alright, everything looks good there. Fold that back up and kind of give you the driver's eye view here of the layout. The dash. Everything's in great shape. Go ahead and pan out of here. Give you a shot of your storage area. Alright, it is a power lift gate. Everything nice and smooth coming up. Alright, everything looks good back here. Got the nice thick rubber mat to protect the carpet. Easy to get these seats down. You pull the rope there, comes down, pull that, comes down, really opens it up back here for you. Alright. And then to get the tailgate down, the lift gate, simply press that button. Everything nice and smooth on the way down. Let's go ahead and check out the wheels and tires. 20-inch alloys on here. Alright, alloys are looking good. Michelin tires. Plenty of tread left on them. No problems there. Alright, once again guys, a 2016 Honda Pilot Touring. Alright, it's got 36,000 miles on it. It's got a clean Carfax, one owner, local trade. It is a certified unit. Alright, this thing's a really, really nice car. Come down, check it out, take a test drive, and thanks for watching the video.